Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. In this tutorial, I would like to explain and teach you how you can create your own MQTT broker in your environment and use this MQTT broker for publish the data to the database and all, or maybe you can fetch the data. So if you are interested in this topic, please stay with me until end to teach you. Okay. First, I would like to give you some summary about the MQTT and the process which is going to be made, and then we will jump to installation of the Mosquitto, which is one MQTT broker. MQTT actually have the, you can say that the three part as a publisher, broker, and subscriber. So publisher is the one of the process which you can use it, for example, like a microcontroller or the gateways like ESP32. It could be one publisher and it can publish the data into broker. Then we have the broker. So this broker, it could be the cloud broker, or maybe you can, or you may have your own broker, which in this tutorial I would teach you that how you can install your own broker in your machine based on the Mosquitto, and you can run it this Mosquitto server in your machine, and you have your own MQTT broker. And the last part is subscriber. The subscriber, it could be, for example, one the Python script, or it could be your we can say that one of the server which you already have in your MQTT, and it can subscribe to the broker and fetch the data or consume this data. For my case, mostly I'm using the Flask Python with the MQTT, and will subscribe to the broker. In separate session, I will explain about this publisher and subscriber, but in this tutorial, I will focus only on installation of the broker for MQTT. So let's jump to the website of the Mosquitto and to see that how you can install this MQTT broker. Okay. When you come to the Google, you can search Mosquitto. Exactly this is the word, and click on the download. Then it will navigate to one page look like this. So this is the page for the Mosquitto. This is the open source and free. You can install based on your environment. For my environment, I'm using the Windows, so you can install the Windows, or if you have the Linux, or there is then for Debian and Ubuntu, it's also available. But for my case, I'm installing this. Already I have installed my Mosquitto, and I'm using this version 64.exe. That is the exe file. For my case, I have the lower version which installed in my system, but definitely when you come or watching this video, probably may change this version. Let's see that after you install this file, because you need to download this file, and after you install the file, yeah, you can see that it can be downloaded in this way. It's just the exe file. You can install it, and then to see how you can define in this broker in your system to be available in entire of your machine. Okay, after you install the file, you have to define this file in your machine as an entire of we can say that somehow you define it, which when you are apply this MQTT in entire of your machine can work. So search for environment, system environment, and when you search for system environment, such this process will come up. Then you need to click on environment variables. Okay, then when you click on the environment variable, please go to the path and then edit the path. When you come to edit the path, you can select the new item and then drop the process for this the folder for this MQTT, which is already installed. So basically is in the C drive C program file and Mosquitto. So it's just only you need to go to the C and copy that address and then drop it here. So you can see here, this is my environment which Mosquitto already installed here. I will copy this environment and drop in new, and after that you can click on OK. Now I am click on OK and OK, and the last one as a OK. So this process now already is configured for entire of your system. For validation, you will come to the CMD in your system and just write down the Mosquitto UITTO-V. Here you go. You will see now, for example, my Mosquitto version is 18, but current version is actually 21. So this is the scenario which you already configured all the Mosquitto in your environment, and you are now ready to use your MQTT broker for connection with the publisher and also fetch the data from this broker. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any question, please drop your question in comments below. Definitely I will take a look and answer your question, and I would be so glad if you drop the comments, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do so. Thank you again, and see you next one.